Welcome to Hgreglux. Here we have a 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLS 600 Maybach. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches here at all. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Take a look at the driver's side doors. The front and back door look very good. I'm not seeing a scratch on them at all. Let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks very good. I'm not seeing a scratch here at all. And the wheel has no curb rash. So the driver's side is spotless. Let's move on to the back of the car. The trunk and back bumper are in excellent condition. I'm not seeing a scratch here at all. Move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger side doors. The front and back door look very good. I'm not seeing a scratch here at all. Now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, no scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look inside. And we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing a scratch here at all. Let's move on to the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to move on to the passenger side. The seat looks excellent. Let's move on to the door panel. Perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. Let's have a look at the back seat. The back seat is perfect as well. So the passenger side is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Okay, I'm not seeing any wear and tear here at all. Everything is in excellent condition. Let's move on to the steering wheel. Steering wheel buttons look very good. I'm not seeing any wear and tear on them at all. And around the steering wheel, the leather and stitching looks perfect. So the interior of this SUV is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.